Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, on the we saw more of a flattish market internationally in the US. We saw some bounce back in dollar index, which came off yesterday by almost around 70 bips, has bounced back by almost 50% of that. That has put some pressure on indices, and the gain which index had in the day lost towards the end. Uh, Even Asian market are seeing some corrections in today morning trade, marginal corrections, mainly driven by the concerns around uh, the bounce back in dollar index, and bond yield also saw some marginal up move. We see that oil has come off by almost around $2.5 from the same time yesterday, mainly on account of further few of the shipping line has again scheduled to restart their travel from Suez Canal, which had become earlier a concern because of the uh, terrorist attack on the vessels, but now the thing seems to be easing, and this shipping line are starting to again travel from Suez Canal. So this has reduced some risk premium, and oil has come off, and also other commodities in metal has also seen some corrections in today's morning. So more seems like flattish to profit booking day in today's trade. So we may see similar trend emerging in India as well. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So, as we have seen in Nifty, we have seen a positive opening, though it was a flattish day. The market was up overall, but it was more of a flattish move only. And Nifty has closed around. Nifty has given a good closing in yesterday's trading session. It has given a closing of 21,778. And today we're expecting a flattish opening and expecting a sideways to upwards move in today's trading session, whereas the immediate resistance for Nifty lies at 21,840. Once that is broken, then 21,900 and 22,000 levels will be seen in the next month. Whereas if we witness some profit booking on the higher levels, then we can expect a support in Nifty at 21,700 to 21,630 levels on the downside. If we move to Bank Nifty has shown a positive move as compared to Nifty in yesterday's trading session. It has given a good and strong closing in yesterday's trading session at around 48,500 levels. The immediate resistance for Bank Nifty on the higher levels is placed at 48,670, followed by 48,840 and 49,000 levels. These are the levels we're expecting in the coming week. The Nifty to test, Bank Nifty to test. Whereas the immediate support for Bank Nifty lies at 48,330, 48 followed by 48,000 levels. Moving on to Nifty Financial Services, it has closed around 21,700 levels. The higher range for Financial Nifty is placed at 21,780, followed by 21,850. Whereas the downside support lies at 21,660 to 21,600. If we talk about stocks, we feel it is going to be a stock specific market today, but two stocks are looking good at current levels versus Reliance. Reliance has made a good formations, and we feel Reliance can touch 2,700 marks in the coming week by keeping a strict stop loss of 2,550. Second stock would be Infosys. Infosys has formed a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it is above the neckline. So we feel Infosys can be bought for a target of 1650 by keeping a stop loss of 1520. We have initiated the buy calls on these stocks. With I request Amit to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ash. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives, as we have seen that a continuous buying has been witnessed in the Indian markets, while on the Nifty front, the positive thing which we witnessed in yesterday's session was from the large cap front. We have seen that the large cap, there was a heavy supportive from the large cap front in yesterday's trading session. Overall, major selective counter sectors, we have seen that the buying has been supportive for the market. While on the OI front, we are seeing that the OI is still trading on the higher end, around 1.7 crore Nifty future OI is trading, while India VIX is continuously trading above the average zone of 11 to 13 mark, but it is yesterday closed at 15.14 level. So India VIX is trading higher, due to which we might see some profit booking in next 1 to 2 days of trading session. So hold the long position with the support of 21,700 level on the Nifty spot front. Once if Nifty goes below 21,700 level, then the initial level on the downside would be 21,500 level. On the upside, we will witness the resistance toward 21,900 to 22,000 marker, where in today's trading session we might witness some buying momentum again. But from next week of trading session, once the Nifty comes in at 21,900 to 950, at that point of time we should wait for new long positions again need to be created. But in today's trading session, we expect the market trend to be on the positive side, while PCR yesterday closed at 1.26 level for the Gen series. So it is still on the positive front. Once if PCR goes below 1.08 level, then there might be a confirmation from the PCR front for the profit booking scenario. But till the time Nifty is not going below 21,700 level and PCR support level below 1.08 level, till that point of time hold the long positions. While on the stock and sectoral front, auto, FMCG, pharma counter looks positive. Selective counters which we have also recommended in yesterday trading session will be ITC looks positive, NTPC looks positive, Power Grid and Exide Industries. This four counter has shown some major long OI positions, and major breakout has been witnessed, due to which we might witness the buying momentum for complete Gen series in this four counter. So keep watch on this four counter. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. SEBI has permitted ICICI Prudential AMC and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance to increase their stake in four banks by up to 10% of total shareholding. So this will be beneficial for Federal Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank, RBL Bank, and IDFC First Bank. Railtel Corporation of India has won an order amounting to 120 crores for signaling and telecommunications works. So positive. As per media reports, oil marketing companies are likely to announce cuts in petrol and diesel prices. We think this has high chances of happening as elections are due next year. So this will be negative for all the oil marketing companies. Satin Credit Care Network and Karnataka Bank have entered into a agreement for co-lending for microfinance loans. The ratio will be 80% of the loans will be in Karnataka Bank's book and 20% in Satin Credit Cares. So positive for both the companies. RBI has released its latest list of domestically systematically important banks. In that, it has downgraded SBI and HDFC Bank by one notch, wherein they, in short, they will have to maintain about 20 basis points of higher tier 1 capital. So that's the kind of hit they may face. So very marginal negative for SBI as well as HDFC Bank. Also, government is working on a plan to replace 8 lakh diesel buses, which is equivalent to more than 1/3 of the total buses on roads currently, with electric ones by 2030. So, we think that this will be positive for Olectra Greentech, JBM Auto, and Ashok Leyland. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed some cool off in commodity prices, and dollar index prices were rising, and it might rise further. The pullback is expected, so we might see some profit taking in commodities, and one should remain cautious in long positions. For trading purpose, one can sell gold around 63,550, maintain a stop loss of 63,800 to 850. On downside, we are eyeing for 63,000, and for a pullback, one can buy from 63,000. And silver, we are expecting prices to test 74,200, 74,000 on downside. So selling around 75,000 is recommended with a stop loss of 75,700. In copper, prices are expected to test 730, 728. So selling around 737 is recommended with a strict stop loss of 741. Zinc also, we might see some cool off. Prices are resisting 233, and one can sell with a stop loss of 233.50. And on downside again, 230 to 29 is the support area where one we expect profit taking. So crude oil is expected to correct further till 59.80, 59.50. So selling around 6100 is recommended with a stop loss of 6170. In natural gas, prices have been consolidating from 212 to 200 levels, but prices are expected to rise, and one can initiate a buy around 212, 210 with a stop loss of 200. On upside, we are eyeing for 225. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. Today's trading session in USD and we are expecting some sideways to bullish momentum. So for intraday purpose, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 83.22 to 83.24 levels with a stop loss of 83.12 levels for the target of 83.30 and 83.35 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 106.12 to 106.10 levels with a stop loss of 105.85 for the target of 106.31 and 106.51 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions around 59.05 to 59 point levels with a stop loss of 58.79 for the target of 59.25 and 59.35 levels. Thank you.